So I've had these no heat blowout rods for a while. I've never been able to get them to work until recently. If you saw that video, it's awesome. It really is as cool as it looks. There's a catch, I'll tell you everything. These I got on Shein for like $2. If you are morally against Shein, you can also get it on Amazon. So if I were doing this for real, which I'm not because my hair's already, I was gonna say styled, it's a little messy. I'm gonna show you how to do it, but I'm not like gonna keep it in. So I would first separate my hair into 3 sections. The first being kind of like the bangs, I guess you could say, the front section. And these two would be 2 separate sections. I'd flip it over like this. And then if I were actually doing this, I would spray it. You want to start with dry hair and just spray it with a little bit of water. If you start out too wet, it won't work. I've tried it. If you got out of the shower or whatever, just wait till your hair is like 90% dry. Brush it. You get this rod sort of thing. Just kind of wrap your hair around it, starting at the bottom. Work your way up. And you want the curls to face in, because then when you flip it out, it's kind of got that like blowout look. Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout. That's what I always think of. It's got these little clips, so then you just clip it together like that. Little tingly. I found if you put them in a scrunchie first, it makes it 20 times easier. Get the rod and do the same thing that you did with the top of your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go like that. Clip it, that. So you got 3 sections, and then I would just put a silk thing over it so that when you're sleeping, it doesn't get too crazy. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not actually doing it. So just imagine this is on. It's very attractive. I have found that doing it for a couple hours does not work. So sleeping overnight has been the only thing that works for me. You get the drift, and now it's stuck. As far as sleeping goes, I would give this like a 5 out of 10. It's not ideal. I sleep on my side, so you would think that it would be fine, but it just bugs me. I don't know. Maybe I'm picky, but I don't know how these girls do it every night. I do it for like Sunday. Like once a week I can have 5 out of 10 sleep. It's fine. This is what your hair will look like after you do it. Let me know if that didn't make sense. People were asking me, it was my sister. My sister was asking me, she's the only one. She was asking me how to do this, so I hope that cleared it up. Okay.